In this video, I will show you how to set consent banner in BigCommerce. Start by opening your BigCommerce dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Settings. Scroll down until you reach the General section and then select Security and Privacy. This will take you to the page where you can manage your store's privacy and compliance options. Under the section called Your Customer's Privacy, look for the option labeled Cookie Consent Tracking. Tick the checkbox to enable it. This feature allows your store to display a cookie consent banner to visitors, which is important for meeting privacy requirements in many regions. If you have a dedicated privacy policy page, make sure it's already set up so customers can access more details when they click on the banner. After enabling the consent option, scroll down and click Save at the bottom right corner to apply your changes. Once saved, the cookie consent banner will automatically appear on your storefront for visitors. And that's how to set consent banner in BigCommerce.